Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Honda GCV160 spark plug is probably one of the most overlooked components in your small engine equipment, but it plays a vital role in its performance. This tiny part is responsible for igniting the fuel-air mixture, which is essential for your engine to run smoothly. Today, we're diving deep into the world of spark plugs, specifically the Honda GCV160, to help you make the best choice for your needs. Number 5. GCV160 Carburetor Plus Air Filter for Honda Lawn Mower. This kit is designed for the GCV160 engine. It includes a carburetor, air filter, and spark plug. This will help keep your lawn mower running smoothly. The carburetor fits various Honda lawn mower models. These include HRT216, HRR216, HRB216, and more. It's a reliable replacement part. This carburetor replaces multiple Honda part numbers. These include 16100Z0L023 and 16100ZM0-803. It's a direct fit for your engine. It is compatible with the GCV160 and GC160 engines. It is also suitable for the Simpson Megashot pressure washer. It ensures optimal performance. The package includes a carburetor, fuel line, fuel clips, gaskets, fuel filter, spark plug, and air filter. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a full tune-up. It's compatible with a wide range of Honda engines and lawnmowers, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to keep your equipment running smoothly, you should consider this kit. What people say. Mower fired right up when installed. Perfect fit for my Honda lawn mower engine. Started with 2 poles. Plug and play. No adjustments needed. Number 4. Carburetor kit for Honda GCV160 HRR216 HRS216 lawn mower. This kit is designed to replace the carburetor on your Honda lawn mower. It includes everything you need to get your mower running smoothly again. It's a perfect fit for specific models. This carburetor kit is compatible with several Honda GCV160 LA0 engine models. It also works with various HRR216 and HRS216 lawn mower models. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. This kit replaces the #16100Z8B901 carburetor. It's a direct replacement, ensuring easy installation. You can restore your mower's performance with this kit. The package includes a carburetor, air filter, gaskets, fuel filter, spark plug, fuel line, and shut-off valve. Everything you need is included in the box. It's a complete solution for your mower's needs. Installing this kit is straightforward. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your old carburetor. You'll have your lawn mower running like new in no time. What we like. This carburetor is designed to fit specific Honda GCV160 LA0 engines, ensuring a perfect match. It directly replaces the original part, guaranteeing optimal performance. If you have a compatible model and need a reliable replacement, it's the ideal choice. What people say. My lawn motor is running like new. Easy to install, just make sure to hook up the throttle linkage before the fuel line. Easy to install, took me less than 30 minutes. Number 3. GCV160 Air Filter Tune-Up Kit for Honda. This kit is designed specifically for Honda engines. It replaces the air filter and other components, ensuring optimal performance. It's a perfect fit for various Honda models. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Honda lawn mowers. It includes parts for HRB, HRC, HRR, HRS, HRT, and HRX series. It also fits Husqvarna lawn mowers. The components are made from high-quality materials. They are designed to provide reliable protection for your engine. This ensures a longer lifespan for your equipment. This kit is easy to install and maintain. It helps your engine breathe better and start up easily. It offers the same performance as OEM parts. You will receive an air filter, pre-cleaner, spark plug, fuel filter, and clamps. It's a great value for the price. Customer service is available if you need it. What we like. This kit includes a premium air filter designed for Honda engines, ensuring optimal performance. It is compatible with a wide range of Honda engines. If you want to improve your engine's performance and longevity, you should consider this kit. What people say. Perfect fit, improved performance. Installation was straightforward and without issue. All components functioned as expected upon completion. All items assembled as designed and functioned properly. Number 2. NGK BPR6ES Spark Plug for Honda Engines. This is the NGK BPR6ES Spark Plug, designed for optimal performance. It's a reliable choice for Honda engines and other small engines, ensuring smooth operation. The spark plug is built with high-quality materials for durability. It's engineered to withstand demanding conditions, providing long-lasting performance. This spark plug helps improve engine efficiency. It ensures a consistent spark, leading to better fuel economy and reduced emissions. Installing this spark plug is straightforward. It's designed for easy replacement, allowing you to quickly get your engine running smoothly again. The NGK Standard 7131 spark plug is a trusted choice. It's a dependable component that helps keep your engine running at its best. What we like. This NGK spark plug is a standard choice for many small engines. It is known for its reliable performance and easy installation. If you need a dependable spark plug for your Honda engine, you should consider it. What people say. These were for a mower worked as described. Used as a replacement spark plug and it's been going strong for a few years now. Would recommend. Fits my Honda GCV160 powered Husqvarna lawn mower perfectly. Mower runs great. Number 1. Honda 98,079 to 56,846 spark plug for GCV160, GCV190. When it comes to small engines, you can always depend on Honda. This spark plug is built with quality and reliability in mind. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly. This spark plug is perfect for your Honda lawn mower. It's a genuine Honda part, so you know it will fit and work perfectly. Keep your lawn looking its best with this reliable spark plug. This spark plug is designed for various Honda small engines. It's a critical component for optimal engine performance. Ensure your equipment runs efficiently with this essential part. Need a spark plug for your Honda tiller? Look no further. This one is made to the same high standards as all Honda products. It will help you get the job done right. Honda is a brand recognized and valued across America. They are known for their quality and durability. Choose this spark plug and experience the Honda difference. What we like. This spark plug is a genuine Honda part, ensuring quality and reliability. It's designed specifically for Honda engines, guaranteeing a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you value the quality and trust of the Honda brand, then it's the right choice for you. What people say. Worked great as a replacement to our old Spark Plus. Cured a long-standing Honda lawnmower issue. Replaced the spark plug and first pull the mower came to life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.